Hey YouTube, good morning. Yeah, it is raining outside if you didn't notice. At some point it was gonna rain. So anyway, I'm headed to Rausch Creek this morning. I'm gonna go do a ride with Offroad Consulting. It's like the monthly ride or whatever. But this is gonna be their blue trails, so the rating should be 4, 5, 6.
You've arrived.
Hey YouTube, so we're here at Rausch today, and behind us you can see the X-Rock crew, so I'm going to see if I can maybe get some footage of them. So we're going to get air down and then see the trail. There's the buggy. They got it done. That's our team. How are you? Doing good. You must be having a driver's meeting or something. I got the RV. Hey YouTube, so this is our lineup for today, and I'll run through the Jeeps and let you see them. I don't think today is any holiday, so this is just a monthly ride. That is Penny's Jeep. I didn't know that Penny was here today. That's really nice. I like them doors. That's like really nice. The fenders are nice too, but like the doors like caught my eye. That's kind of interesting. Good sticker. I like that. Nice water level. Yeah, definitely. Ah, look at that. That is really thin. Evo, nice. That is like awesome. Very good, well built. Howdy. Another nice. Eugene, original Jeep. Look at them stickers. Oh. Very green. Wow, what are they running? What's them antennas? Is that a ham? Top's got the avocado. Well, the back is a CB. I'm curious about the front.
Hey Eric, those cones are not close enough together. You need to move the cones closer together.
Hey YouTube, so if you didn't figure out, I was messing with Eric. Basically, the cones are probably perfectly fine. So what the cones are and stuff, and X-Rock, and there'll be some video footage at the end of this series. But if you want to see all about it, like there's like 13 videos we already have on the channel, like that are on X-Rock and SLRC. But basically, they do these competitive things about once a month or so during the summer, and they put the cones out like in an off-road park, in a moderate to advanced area depending on your class, and then you go through the cones, and essentially you're competing to see who can rock crawl the best, and you kind of have negative points against you if you have to winch or like go in reverse or any of this kind of stuff, and it's all explained in the video if you want to go watch it. But that's what all that stuff is that was going on, and yes, you could do it if you want to do it. The SLR streets for street legal Jeeps specifically, but if you have something that you trailer, then you want the X-Rock probably. Hey YouTube, so this is where we are. If you're just curious, the green little arrow in the right is the entrance. So we're leaving the entrance and we are going to the left. In late future videos, I'll spend more time on the map when you actually may not know where we're at.
Hey YouTube, so we are on the pole line tail gunning, and we're on the blue part of the pole line, so you can see that it has some obstacles that are maybe basketball size, maybe slightly larger than basketball, but those you can totally go around. Most obstacles are smaller than basketballs, and please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys shortly.
So this is a green area of the pole line now that we're getting onto. This is the area that people travel on a lot more frequently. When they hear pole line at Rausch, this is more of what they think of when they see the pole line.
Hey YouTube, so we are at the mud pit. The mud pit is a obstacle on the pole line. It is basically this large water hole, and on one side of the pole it's black, the other side is green. So always look at the sign, like at the puddles in Rausch Creek, because they can get extremely deep, extremely fast. So yeah, if it has a name, it's usually bad. So anyway, please enjoy.
So this is a power line, not to be confused with a pole line. They're both pole lines. This one is on the other side of Tower Road, so the other one is pretty flat. It's like next to Crawler Ridge. This one is progressively steep, depending on if you're going farther into the park or farther away from the park, and it goes up to Tower Road where the main cell phone towers are. So like I've said in a lot of these videos before, the general concept when you're out here is to make little V's when you start to see obstacles. So basically you put your tires on the largest obstacle you can find that's not, you know, too big obviously, and then you make like a V. That's the general idea, and you try not to be in the tire tracks, so to speak. You want the tire tracks actually between the wheels, not where the wheels are. So
Hey YouTube, so we just did the power line, and it was actually a lot more washed out than I was expecting. It's a green line, a green trail on the map, but it definitely felt more like a blue, like a light blue maybe. If I had to give it like a color or number or whatever, I mean, it's easily at least a 3 if it's a green. If it's really like a blue, then it'll be closer to like maybe like a 4. It was not like super bad. We are getting ready to turn on to 14. You can hear the CB in the background. It's actually working, which is awesome. And today I'm the tail gunner, like you probably heard already. So anyway, we will give you a little more info on these trails as we do them. So stick around.